Let's get started with some fun math working with numbers using base 10 blocks. As we all know, our number system is built on the idea of base 10. To fully understand place value in fun and interesting way and let our kids to explore more rather being scared of numbers, we can show and represent numbers using these base 10 blocks. As you can see, there are three types of blocks representing the first three places of a whole number: ones, tens, and hundreds. This is a perfect visual aid for teaching base 10 bases, since these pieces are in proportion to their value, making it physically and numerically understandable by emphasizing both the place and value of a number. Now kids may begin by placing unit blocks one at a time in the ones column. For each unit they place, ask them to record the number corresponding to the total number of units placed. Like here is our 1 unit, another 1 unit, so we have total 1 and 2 units. Now we have total 3 units. They continue this process until they accumulate all the 10 units. Here I'm placing all the 10 units. This makes total 10 units. Now they regroup these 10 units to our 1/10 rod. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units make up our 1 rod, 1/10 rod. So that is, by continuing this, they will explore the grouping of ones into 1/10 rod. That 1/10 equal to 10 units. When kids perform this physically, they can visually compare and start thinking of their own, whether I got too much pieces or too little while making 10 units in 1/10 rod. Now they will understand that both are actually same thing, just different ways of showing. Since kids are now familiarized with the concept how 10 ones make 1/10, in similar manner we can show them how 10 ones can make 100. Combining and trading of rods will provide kids with a connection between concrete and symbolic representation of numbers. Larger blocks are built by using smaller blocks. Now if we can use smaller blocks to build larger blocks, it makes sense that we can break larger blocks into smaller blocks, such as we can see here 100 block is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 tens. In similar manner, we can see that 1/10 is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. Here you can see I have displayed a number using base 10 blocks. Now let's see what the number is. We have here 1/10 rod and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So 8 ones. As we know that 1/10 is made up by using 10 units, so we can replace our 1/10 rod with 10 units. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As we know, initially we had 8 units, now we have 10 more units, so our number is 18. Now they can even write their expanded form on their own as 10 plus 8 equals 18. In similar way, we can work with different numbers to help kids to understand place value, numbers concept and much more. As you can see, I have displayed a number here which is 2 tenths and 4 units, 24. Now kids can actually see the quantity visually having 2 10 rods and 4 units at one's place. It will click in their mind instantly and help them understand what 24 really means. We can also compare numbers too. Let's suppose I'll take another 2 tenths rods with 2 units at once, making number 22. Now kids can instantly find which among the following is the greater number. Therefore, such activities helps to know the base 10 blocks and using them to learn and understand the math that they are scared of. In short, an easy hands-on material to make learning a fun activity.